When hot water is used, sugar dissolves more quickly due to increased molecular movement and heat energy. Factors include temperature differences, molecular interactions, solubility rates, kinetic energy, and particle collisions. Sugar dissolves faster in hot water because the heat boosts molecular movement, enabling sugar molecules to separate and disperse quickly. For instance, try dissolving sugar in a cup of hot tea compared to cold. Remember, use warm water, stir gently, and help it along. Sugar dissolves faster in hot water due to increased molecular movement, which allows sugar to break apart and disperse quickly. For instance, when making tea, using hot water helps sugar dissolve in seconds. Remember to use water that's at least 160 degrees Fahrenheit. Stir gently and watch how quickly the sugar disappears. For instance, when making a cup of tea, using hot water ensures your sugar dissolves completely. To enhance dissolving, consider using water that is just off the boil and stir gently. For example, when making tea, using hot water allows sugar to dissolve quickly.